Samoa Melbourne Heilani Pearl Kurupu is the new crowned Miss Samoa 2022-2023 after she won the Miss Samoa pageant on Saturday night at Gym 1 Tonaimato. Here's more on this report from Taputaila Kitiona.
Drum rolls, please. Your new Miss Samoa is contestant number 8, Miss Samoa Melbourne.
Miss Samoa Melbourne Heilani Pearl Mataupukurupu is the new Miss Samoa 2022 and 2023 after she won the Miss Samoa pageants on Saturday night at Gym 1 Tonaimato. The Australian Catholic University student, who is about to complete a physiotherapy degree, was contestant number 8 in the 2022 Vodafone Miss Samoa pageants and is of mixed parentage from Colombo, Sri Lanka and Samoa. Her major prizes on the night of the crowning were the Best Talents and Miss Photogenic, which won the votes in her favor to lead to her coming out as the victor among her 8 peers.
The first main award is the Best Talent. The contestant who will receive this award will also receive a cash prize of 500 tala.
Ladies and gentlemen, just a reminder that the Best Talent Award is a main award, and the winner of this is contestant number 8, Miss Samoa Melbourne.
The first runner-up was Miss Samoa New Zealand, who was also won the National Tourism Award, and judges rated her as having had the best interview. The second runner-up went to Miss Princess Mariana Printing. The third runner was a Miss Samoa Victoria, Olivia Grace Unasasiosi. Miss Victoria also secured the awards for Best Traditional Wear and Best Sarong, as well as the Vodafone People's Choice Award. Miss SAP Samoa Gloriesta Fuimono won the fourth runner-up. The Miss Samoa 2022-2023 was crowned by the reigning Miss Samoa and Pacific Islands, Fonoifafo McFarlane Seumanu, who held the role for the last 2 years. Taputaila Kitiona for your TV2 News.
The head of state, His Highness Tuimaleli Fano Vale Tu'asualawi II, has expressed deepest condolences on behalf of the government and people of Samoa to His Majesty King Charles III on the passing of the Queen. He has more on this report. The head of state, His Highness Tuimaleli Fano Vale Tu'asualawi II, has expressed deepest condolences on behalf of the government and people of Samoa to His Majesty King Charles III on the passing of the Queen. The Buckingham Palace in London advised of the passing of Queen Elizabeth II at around 6:30 a.m. on Friday morning Samoan time. Her death brought to an end for her 70-year reign and enabled her son Charles to ascend to the throne as King Charles III. In a statement released by the government of Samoa on Saturday night, Tuimaleli Fano said the reign of Queen Elizabeth II represented strength, stability, and inspired leadership. The head of state also acknowledged for her dedication, her unwavering support, and immeasurable contribution to the development and advancement of the people of Samoa, the Pacific region, the Commonwealth family alike. The head of state also extended Samoa's prayers of comfort to the royal family, people, and the government of the United Kingdom during this time of sorrow. The Queen visited Samoa in February 1977 as part of a 6-week Silver Jubilee tour on Commonwealth countries in the Pacific. Lefana Naisikone for your TV2 News. The Salinga No. 1 electoral constituency opened their new district committee centre last Saturday as a part of the new government's party project for all the districts of Samoa. Here's more on this report from Taputailo Kitiona.
The Salenga number 1 electoral constituency opened their district committee centre last Saturday as a part of the new government party projects for all the districts of Samoa. The Minister of Women, Community and Social Development, Honorable Leota Lakila Moses Celestio, Deputy Minister of the Ministry, the Chief Executive Officer, the guests and residents of the district was all in attendance to witness this event. The representative of the district, Selu Ainea, greeted the guests with honor for their special events, followed by a ceremony led by Reverend Apollo Ta'a for a spiritual word and to thank God for His love and protection. The Minister of Women, Community and Social Development, Honorable Lakila Moses Celestio, in his keynote, spoke on behalf of the government representatives, the district members, guests and everyone who attended to thank the district of Salenga number 1 for this wonderful project. Also their support for the new government projects for a better of our people, because these new offers will help our people, especially for those who will seek for help. Once a district has set up office and appointed a council, the Ministry of Women, Community and Social Development will inspect the setup before processing the release of the 1 million Samoan tala for individual village-based projects to proceed. The overall aim of this program is to inspire social harmony and inclusive growth for Samoa through district developments utilizing our community capacities, natural resources and environments. The government aspires that this is a golden opportunity to enhance appropriate developments within all districts. Taputailo Kitiona for your TV2 News.
Let's have a look at some highlights from our Manu Samoa team has played in the Rugby World Cup Sevens last weekend. Here's more on this report. Uganda 7 and leads our team for their second chance to play against Fiji. It was not an easy game, but our boys has put in all their efforts to win for Samoa, but sadly Fiji won. Fiji backed their defense right from the start with a deep kickoff gifting Samoa possession. It was not an easy game for our team as the Fijian team was defending with the best they can to defeat our Samoan team. Stephen Osai came through with the Jays and beat a Fijian defender to the ball to score the first try of the match. 5-0 makes the Fijian team go even stronger from their side to defend our team. Steve Rimoni Onosai crossed over for Samoa to bring the score to 21-10 with the clock ticking down to 2 minutes left. Manu Samoa Sevens have ended their 2022 season of revitalizing fan support for the national team with a top 8 spot in the World Cup and 9th overall in the HSBC World Series standings. Mulianga Brian Lima coached side have moved Samoa into the top 8. The Manu Samoa Sevens will now travel back to Samoa and continue to train for the start of the 2022-2023 season. Hong Kong will host the first tournament of the new season, set to kick-start on November 4th, 2022. A big whamalo to the Manu Samoa Sevens coach and management for their hard work. Lefana Naisekoni for your TV2 News. And that is the conclusion of your TV2 News for tonight. We'd like to acknowledge the continuous support of the Samoa Water Authority for sponsoring your TV2 News. Enjoy the rest of your TV2's remaining programs. Have a blessed evening. Good night. Maole fai ngole nalo Samoa taulongolongo mole nei afiafi, mo moli le ngangol whaaftaitele le pule ngole suawai, mole langolango ino lau Samoa taulongolongo. Whaawo mai pea o mai moanga, inisio tātou polo kalame o lo tutoi. Manu e tele la fiafi, tō whāsai fua.